The littlest chef.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to The Littlest Chef. My name is Natalie, and in today's video, we are making Haitian Independence Day soup. Happy New Year, everyone, and happy 1er Janvier to my Haitian viewers. Last year, I made a Haitian Independence Day soup video in 2025, and it is now 2026, and I'm making another one because I need some video. And also, every time I cook, I like to film. So let's get cooking. We're gonna start off with meat that has already been washed with lime and vinegar. And then we're gonna go in with our basic seasonings, like always, some olive oil, some garlic powder, onion powder, some Italian seasoning if you have it. Today, I did not have Italian seasoning, I had oregano, so that's what we're gonna use. And I also like to use this Sylvia's chicken seasoning, so we're adding that to the meat as well. We're also gonna add some sea salt. And remember, we are making a very large pot of soup, so just make sure you season that meat very well because that is what you're gonna be using to basically season the entire pot of soup. Most importantly, we're gonna add in our épice seasoning. And we're gonna mix everything up. So this is how your meat looks once you finish seasoning it. So you're gonna just leave it on your counter for about 20 minutes so that all the flavors can combine and the meat can absorb the seasoning. So I have two types of squash here, butternut squash and kabocha squash. So you're gonna put some olive oil on both types of squash, rub it in so that they don't burn in the oven when you roast it. And then you're gonna turn them face down so that they don't burn. So this is how your squash looks before you put it in the oven. And this is how it's going to look afterwards. And when you flip it, this is how it looks. It's not burnt, it's perfectly cooked. And I just love roasting my squash this way. So you're gonna let that squash cool down. And while the squash is cooling down, you're gonna start to prepare your meat. So this is the meat that we had seasoned earlier. Here I have some parsley and thyme that I tied up together, and I'm gonna add that to the meat along with 2 cups of water. After about 20 minutes, it's gonna start to look like this. And now is the time where you wanna start mixing it around. And then about, I think I had boiled it at this point for about 40 minutes. At this time, you're gonna add some peppers and onions, and you're gonna let it fry up just a very little bit. Not too much because you don't want the meat to start breaking up and falling apart. Now, once your squash has cooled off, you're gonna add it to the blender along with some water. And then you're gonna blend everything up until the squash is nice and smooth. This is how it looks in the end after you blend it. And you're gonna repeat the process for all the squash that you have. So here I'm making a second batch. And you're gonna put that pureed mixture in a nice large container, just like this, and put that to the side. Here's the meat that is done cooking. I transferred it to a larger pot. And I'm gonna start to make my soup now. So I'm gonna add the squash mixture, add in some vegetables. Here I have celery and carrots. And here we're adding our cilantro. So this is actually called long leaf coriander. If you can't find long leaf coriander at your local supermarket, you could just get some cilantro. So I'm adding in plantains, potatoes, and yam, some water, and a Scotch bonnet pepper. Then you're gonna mix everything around. And you're gonna cover it. Whoops, wrong lid. Okay, let's get the right lid. All right, good. So we're gonna cover that and let that boil. And in the last 10 minutes of cooking, you're gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of butter. We're adding in cabbage here in the last 10 minutes of cooking because cabbage likes to, if it's overcooked, it likes to fall apart very easily, and I really do not like that. So we're adding it in, and then we're just gonna cover it again for the last 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, this is how your soup is going to look. So beautiful, so vibrant. Look at those cubes of meat, that plantain, that potato, the cilantro. Everything looks so delicious and so nutritious. This is the final product. I hope you all had a wonderful new year. I hope you try this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.